What's good, YouTube? Man, it's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. And we back with another banger, man. Y'all, jeez, man. I feel like the last 2 weeks of trading have been up, down. Like, I just feel like it's been up, down, and I can't get over the hump, man. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took today. We're gonna screen record on my Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. I had all the accounts up at one time. They were up pretty good. My Top Step account was at 2,500. Then I had my Funded Futures and Traderfy account both at $2,000. And we went on a slump, guys. And after I'm getting ready to show you the trade that I took today, I'm gonna show you where the accounts currently are. So let's switch to the phone. So let's switch. The very first trade that I took, I felt like I got a bad entry, so I closed out and re-entered myself. The more it went to my spot that I wanted to. It's actually the same spot. Like, I don't know what I was doing, but let's start at 2025 at the bottom. If you look at the bottom, in 2025, the market has been skyrocketing, man. We are now, when you see that white line right here, this white line that you see right here, guys, we have finally stopped going up, and we have started retracting a little bit, man. Starting to have some pullbacks. So I've noticed the market has shifted. After the market had went past this part, I knew that we was gonna be in sales. But for some odd reason, I was still trying to catch buys a little bit, like this right here. Like, I'm trying to catch these little small gains to the upside. And the market is clearly shifting. The market is in a downtrend right now, so I need to be going with the market. If the market is telling me it's going down, Corey, trade going down. Follow the trend, Corey. I'm still trying to buy when the market is getting ready to sell. It's like I always find myself in that medium, and then once I see a clear indication we going for sales, you know what I'm saying, then I'm able to get in some good trades. But I started doing a lot of losing right here in this area. Now, a lot of people say that's construction. Why are you trading in that? Before, I used to do, way before I started learning this new strategy, this is where I would do decent. It's like I would draw like the top, the highs, and then the lows, and then just trade in between that range when it hits those bottom lines. But now, man, it's like I would rather not do that. I could, but previous history says this is where I suck at, and this is where I blow my accounts. So definitely not gonna end up doing that no more. My go-to and what I'm good at is Fast and Furious, construction, Fast and Furious. So as you guys can see on the right hand side, we are in a downtrend now, man. Clear downtrend. At about 4 this morning, I noticed, I said, I see a repeated pattern. Now, if you look, guys, what do we keep doing after we broke this white line? You see, we keep breaking lows, like right here. You see at the top right there, right where this. Here, let me do this a little bit better, guys, so you guys can see. Let me maximize this. Let me go up here. So this right here. We just keep breaking lows, man. We keep creating lower lows. So I've been paying attention to that, because I mean we're clearly in a downtrend. Of course it's gonna retrace a little bit, but look, lows are being broken. And then look at this. We got a huge line being performed, man. It just keep coming down. Just like previous, it was going up. So I was like, man, okay, I need to find some areas that I'm good at. Or, you know what I'm saying, I'm noticing Fast and Furious, construction, Fast and Furious. So I noticed yesterday, Thursday, that this happened. All right. So I was like, okay, man, where can I get in on today, which is Friday? I'm like, we just keep breaking lows. It keep creating this consolidation and breaking. It just keep breaking to the downside. We make a new lower low. That's all we keep doing. So I noticed this right here, guys. This happened last night at about 9 in between 9 to 11 o'clock last night, and I didn't go to bed till about 12 p.m. I was gonna get in right here, but I was like, I need more confirmation, man. This is not enough for me. So the next thing that I saw, this was at 3 or 4 in the morning. I said, ooh, this looks like a good spot for me to get in. So why did I want to get in at this spot right here? So the one thing that I noticed, guys, I'm gonna draw it again. We had consolidation. Let's go to our tools over here. And then after the consolidation, what did we do? Drop. Let's go back up. What are we doing? Consolidation. Get the tool out again. Drop. So I'm seeing a pattern. Consolidation, drop. Consolidation, drop. What does that mean for me? Fast and Furious, construction. Fast and Furious, construction. It's just a repeated phase. I just gotta find a good spot where to get in, man. So I'm seeing a repeated pattern. So when I woke up this morning at about in between 3 to 4 a.m., I seen this. I said, oh my gosh, it's happening again, man. I just gotta find me a good spot. So I said, you know what? This was the 27th up here. This was Thursday. This was Wednesday up here. This was Wednesday up here. This was Thursday, and I'm seeing Friday. Wednesday, consolidation, drop. Thursday, consolidation, drop. I said it's a repeated pattern. I just have to find me a good spot to get in. That way it don't come stop me out. So I said, you know what? I predict that today we're gonna have the same thing going on again. Wrong one. We got to get rid of that. We got to find our tool, the path. Wednesday, consolidation drop. Thursday, consolidation drop. Friday, I predict that the market is consolidation drop. I said the same thing is happening again, man. And here lately, guys, I've been taking profit at TP1 because I've been getting nervous of the pullback. I have to realize that the market is going to do some type of pullback, man. It's got to. It's different. I'm not used to trading the intraday. So if you don't take those gains and it go all the way back up against you, that causes your intraday to go down. Before, man, I would say like the last couple of weeks, I've been cheating myself out of a lot of money, man. Like, I have my TP set for almost like $700, and I know that it could potentially get down there, but I've been taking profit like at $200 and $300, and then watch it go retrace, barely almost hit my stop loss, and then yank back down and hit take profit, man. I was like, today, you know what? Screw it. I don't care. We going full TP today. I do not care. Today gave me the confidence to hold my trades, man, and know that the market has to retrace a little bit, man. I have to accept that. My game plan, instead of being down here and then covering only a little bit of that liquid zone, had I took my entry up here, you see I got way more room to cover that. So I was like, you know what? Forget it, man. The freaking dryer went off. I had to go get my clothes, and I didn't think the market was gonna move that fast because it was moving really slow. And then I ended up getting down here somewhere. I was like, oh well, it's all good. I'm just gonna be in this trade, and I'm gonna hold this joke out, man. I got in at about 5 a.m. I think it was 5 a.m. because on here it's an hour behind. So if it's 3 a.m. on here, it's 4 a.m. my time. So I think I got in about 5 a.m. because I took this trade right before I left the house. So yeah, I got in about 5 a.m. Yep, because I was still at the house. So right before I was getting ready to leave, I put the trade in. I said, we're gonna ride this joker out. We're gonna ride full TP. I'm gonna ride this joker until it hit my TP. I'm not accepting no less, nothing. We going full max TP today, man, because I'm tired of, you know what I'm saying, leaving money on the table. So as I'm getting ready to leave the house, I'm constantly checking, yada, yada, yada. And so I didn't close the trade until I'm actually at work. So I held this trade all the way up until about 7 a.m. Let's go to a lower time frame. So what time did I actually get out? I got out at 7 a.m. So this was about a 2-hour trade for me. So I was like, you know what? I'm good. We straight. I ended up taking all 3 of my phones with me on inside of my job, and I'm in the hallway looking at all of them, man. I'm like, nope, I'm staying right here. I don't care what anybody else got to say. I'm gonna make sure, man, that this joker don't try to retrace and then, you know what I'm saying, go down. I mean, I just wanted to make sure, because it started retracing a little bit, and then it ended up going to full TP, man. But I ended up closing out at like $400 some instead of like $500 some, because this candle right here kind of tricked me a little bit. So it was coming down to my TP, and then the daggone candle came all the way back up here, man. I'm like, oh heck no. So when I saw the market come back down here some more, I closed out. I said, yep, I'm out of there. Because for some odd reason, the thing is getting ready to hit and smack my TP, man. Perfect trade, man. And then that joker just started rising up. And I got nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I said, nope. Soon as I see the market come back down to the second yellow box, I'm out. And then, of course, it hit my TP. I said, Corey, you should have just waited. But it was only like, I only missed out on what, $100, I think. Yeah, I only missed out on $100 because I closed out at like 440, then 430 on something else or whatever, man. But yeah, man, this was a successful, great trade, man. This is my funded futures account. So as you guys can see, man, we started off like what, $25. We went to $6.94. Then we came down to a couple, like $20. Then we shot back up to like 51,517. Then we came down a little bit. Then we went back up. We shoot right here. We had $52,051. Then we stayed up there for a little bit. Then we, you know what I'm saying, went down a couple of dollars. But then on one of my videos, man, I was going through a lot, man. I had just like all my bills came out of my bank account at one time. We had to pay money to get the heat fixed. We had to pay money to get our hot water heater working right. And then I got rebuilt for Top Step, got rebuilt for my funded futures. Today just got rebuilt for Traderfy. All that was playing in my head, it's like all this money is coming out of my bank account. And we went from 52,000 all the way down to $51,159.72. That's like almost $900 loss, man. So it's like all that was playing in my head, all that going on, man. I'm like, man, let me reset myself. Let me get myself back on track, man. But yeah, now let's show you guys the accounts and where they're at now. All right, guys, we're on my phone now. I gotta use my hand up here, or else the daggone light will be shining. So this is my Top Step account. So yeah, we were at 52,500. We're slowly working our way back up. We're pretty much at $52,200 in our Top Step account, and you see today we made a P&L of $451.56 today. Good trade. This is my funded futures. As you guys can see in the left hand corner, we're at $52,059.12. We're pretty much have this account back where we were a couple of weeks ago. Today's profit was $443.76. All right, as you guys can see, the Traderfy account, we have it at $52,048.62. And if we press account summary, we made $440.76, man. So we made almost $1,400. Well, really, we made $1,350, somewhere around there. So it was a good profit today, man. All accounts are up, man. We're doing pretty good, man. I'm blessed and thankful. I'm not gonna get happy and excited, but hey, man, we're doing pretty good, man. You guys see my accounts where they're at. Now I'm getting ready to go help this young man. I'm doing a documentary for him. He's a really good photographer, man. He just graduated high school last year, man. He's doing really good at what he do, man. His work is really good, man. So I'm gonna just take you guys with me, bring you guys with me, man, on recording a little documentary with JT, man. I'm gonna just be grabbing footage of him, having conversation with him about his camera gear. He's a sports, he takes pictures of recording teams and stuff like that. He takes really good pictures. He's a, I don't know what you call it. He's a sports photographer. How about that? That's what he is. So yeah, man, you guys gonna come with me? Yeah, man, let's get into the next thing, man. So let's go to the gym and record a little bit of this documentary, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So let's go. What's your name, man?
Jason Thomas.
What you do?
I'm a freelance photographer from New York, 19. Right now we're gonna record or take pictures of the district championship of Hot Town versus County. First, I was just trying to get some shots of their shoes. Of course, you can see. My honest opinion, basketball is not necessarily taking pictures of the players, but the aesthetics and the little things, you know what I mean? Talk about getting close-up shots. You kind of see the, you know what I'm saying, the sweat. It means they working. Exactly why you don't look at the camera.
Well, guys, I'm back home, man. Just went to Walmart, bought some candles and stuff, man. That's gonna do it for this video, man. Had a good trading day today, y'all, and we you got a little bit of footage of me doing my my little camera stuff, man. That's gonna do it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the day in the life vlog. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers Corey the Phone Trader got coming out, y'all, man. Tune in next time to the next video, y'all. Make sure you lock in, tap in, man. Keep God first. You can do all things through Christ which strengthens you, man. As long as you keep him first, man. Let God be the pilot while you be the co-pilot. Quit trying to take over things, man. Let God have his way in your life and watch more doors open for you, man. Peace, blessings, love, y'all. And you know the motto. In 3, 2, 1. I holla.